Boom shakalaka, what is going on, everybody? Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's episode, we are going to be talking about a Bitcoin breakout confirmed $15,000 target and Bitcoin just giving the strongest bull signal possible. So if you think that's interesting, stay tuned for today's episode. All right, now if we take a look at things, Bitcoin has been in a downtrend since June of 2019, all the way until the end of January when we saw it break out of this downtrend to the upside into this upward trend that Bitcoin has actually been in since way back here in September of 2015. As you can see with support here, here, and here, a little bit of resistance here and here, and then also support way back here if we extend that line for you so you can see it. There we go, resistance support. So we are in a new trend, an upward trend. And if we take a look at the trajectory of that trend, it would be heading up towards 15, 16, maybe even higher. So what's stopping it from reaching there? Well, there is one thing that Bitcoin is going to come into contact with before it gets to that $15,000 mark. And that if we draw along the tops here, we can see that Bitcoin is going to encounter this line a little bit before it will actually reach the $15,000 mark. This is right at around 11.6. So it'll have to break through that line. If it does, then we could definitely be heading up to the $15,000 area. But that's not all, because Bitcoin just had a huge bullish signal, the Ichimoku bull signal. And this is only the third time that it's happened, not the bull signal, the Ichimoku crossover, the third time that's happened since December 2017 when we had the crossover. But basically after the end of the bull run, we had one bearish crossover, and then we had a bullish crossover right here when Bitcoin was around $5,500 before it went up to almost $14,000, so almost 3x there, and then it crossed over again, and now we're seeing another crossover, which could potentially lead to a 3x gain from where we are now. If we're taking a look at what happened the last one, that would put us right at around $27,000, maybe even $30,000. I think that's a bit exuberant in terms of price gains, but potentially we have that going on. Also another golden cross potentially forming. So those are both bullish signals for Bitcoin in addition to what's going on here, breaking out to the new trajectory. So we'll have to take a look at those things. If you want my opinion, I think slowly we will rise up until around this $10,000 to $11,000 area. It'll stall a little bit there. Maybe we'll see it drawn out, maybe price bumping back and forth between here until middle of 2020. And then I would think the price is overall going up, because if we take a look at things like the weekly MACD, that overall is a bullish signal. And I'll just show that for you. You just go up here to indicators, you type in MACD, and once you find that, you just need to change the time frame to the weekly. And if you look at that, it's a really good indicator for a bullish trend in the market. And as you can see here, probably can't see because it's too dark, but you just need to change the settings. And we'll make these lines a little bit darker for you so you can see them. And also get rid of the histogram. And as you can see, this has crossed over, which is definitely a bullish signal for Bitcoin as well. So that's 3 bullish signals for Bitcoin, potential price gains coming up soon. I think around the $15,000 range if we can break through this resistance from the top of the trends, from the $20,000 and $15,000 tops. So that's it for today's episode. If you enjoyed today's episode, make sure you check out the Monarch wallet and hold Bitcoin and 3,000 other cryptos in there, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.